Leaks about the Galaxy A54 have been coming out for months. However, for some reason, Samsung is still to make it official. But the good news is that Samsung has just released another crucial piece of information about the device, and this hints that the phone might be out in the wild pretty soon. So what's the info about? It's about how repairable the device is. That is, the company has just uploaded the Repairability Score calculation of the Galaxy A54. Although the score comes from specific French standards, it does offer insight into how long you can actually use the device after it comes out. According to Samsung, the Galaxy A54 receives 8.4 points out of 10 in terms of repairability. And the most interesting fact about this score is that it is higher than the Galaxy S23. Yes, the current flagship of Samsung received 8.2 out of 10. The score for the predecessor of the Galaxy A54, the Galaxy A53, was 8.2 as well. So it seems that things are marginally improving year after year. And Samsung also appears to be taking mid-rangers more seriously now. After all, mid-range and entry-level devices are what Samsung sells the most. Nonetheless, the report regarding the Galaxy F54 shows a lot of positive things. But there's one big negative aspect. That is, the tools needed for the repair. Also, the report notes the intricacies of how the parts are laid inside the phone. It states that opening up the phone might not be as easy as users might think. So you might still have to rely on a professional. Even with these negatives, the Samsung Galaxy F54 will still be a great phone in terms of longevity. And we definitely cannot wait for Samsung to officially debut this great mid-range device. Also, a new leak that has surfaced is pointing at a potential increase in prices for the upcoming successors of these handsets, the Galaxy F54 5G and Galaxy F34 5G. The information is coming from tipster Sudhanshu Amhor Apuls, who has shared the alleged European price tags that Samsung is planning to slap on its upcoming affordable mid-range phones in 2023. According to the two leakers, the Samsung Galaxy F54 is set to come at a starting price of €530 to €550 for the base model with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, while the 8GB/256GB variant would be between €590 and €610. In comparison, the F53 from last year started at a much lower cost of €450. The more affordable out of the two handsets, the Galaxy F34 is stated to come at €410 to €430 for the base mode that has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, while the 8GB/256GB iteration might be around the €480 mark. To give more perspective here, the Galaxy F33 went for just €370 when it launched. What do you think about today's leak? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.